WP Full Picture 9.0 comes with a new setup mode, which is a new version of what was previously called debug mode. Setup mode will be very useful for all the people who want to configure WP Full Picture and all the modules in it. So let me show you how it works. First, let's enable it. So you need to go to General Settings, and then right in the first section, simply enable setup mode. Now let's go to the home page of our website, and here on the left hand side you will see a new button, and now important information: only people who are administrators, logged in administrators, will be able to see this button, nobody else. So when you click this button, you will be able to start testing procedure. So you will be able to test your tracking tools without having to log out from your website or open incognito mode, because before version 9.0, administrators were not tracked. So now I'm logged in as an administrator. Let me click Start Testing, and as you can see now, I already see the consent banner where I can choose how I want to be tracked. But it is not everything, that's not all. When you click right mouse button anywhere on the page and go to Inspect Element and then to Console, you will see here some information from scripts that are installed on your web page, and among them you'll see information from Full Picture, FP. So depending on your setup, you may have few information here or a ton of them. So if you have too many of them, I suggest you filter it like that. And now you'll see info from Full Picture only. Now when you do some actions, when you take some actions on your web page or in the consent banner, you will see this this section populate. So now let's agree to tracking. And as we can see here, something happened. You can also, like for example, Metapixel page view event has been sent with this data. I strongly suggest you click this button here and click Preserve Log, which will make sure that this data doesn't disappear when you move to a different page. You can clear it like that at any moment. So now let me go to the store, and you will see what data was sent here. So now, like for example, Google Analytics received a view item list event with the information about all these products and with all this data here. When I click Add to Cart button, some other events will be sent to different tracking tools, like to Microsoft Clarity, Google Analytics, Google Ads, everything that you have configured. But that is still not everything. You can enter here FP underscore, and you will have access to FP post meta, term meta, and user meta. So what does it mean? Like for example, term meta, it's not accessible here. Let me just go here maybe, and here we should have post meta available. Okay, so here is information about what custom data you can track about this product, right? The post meta is only available on posts. Term meta is on like categories or tags, and user meta, obviously, yes, it's for users. If you have WP Full Picture Pro, you will be able to track all this custom information with your tracking tools, or at least those that support metadata tracking. And that is everything that you need to know about the testing mode. If you want to disable it, just go to just open this panel here and click Finish Testing. at any moment you can show your consent banner, or you can reset consents to start afresh like that. And that is everything. I hope you like it and you will use it. Thank you.